All right, this question is telling us that that the function has a real zero between -1 and 0, and it wants us to use our calculator to approximate the 0 to the nearest hundredth. I don't quite understand why it's telling us to use a calculator. I'm not sure what exactly it wants us to do with the calculator. To my credit, I did not create this final. I actually have to use this final. So let's just go with it. What I chose to do was factor this and find out where my 0 is actually at. So let's start that way. So if you recall, sometimes to factor third degree polynomials, it's easier to go ahead and split it up. So let's split this up into 4x cubed plus x squared and 20x and 5. And then let's see what we can pull out. So we've got x squared. It's going to give us 4x plus 1. And we can pull out 5 here. And that's going to give us 4x plus 1. So coincidentally, we've got some nice factors here. So we can take out the x squared minus 5 times 4x plus 1. Set that equal to 0 and solve. So we've got x squared equals 5, or x equals plus or minus the square root of 5. And 4x plus 1 equals 0. So 4x equals -1, x equals -1/4. So it said that our real 0 is between -1 and 0, which this is, so that's correct. And then this one, so 4 is going to be 2. And the next perfect square is 9, and that's going to be 3. So this one is not going to meet our criteria that's between -1 and 0. So our answer is going to be x equals -1/4 or -0.25.